Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you redeeming a Steam gift card. First, open Steam or visit the Steam website. Next, hover over your username and click on Account Details. This will take you to your account page. Once there, tap on Add Funds to your Steam wallet. When you click on Add Funds to your Steam wallet, you'll see a page prompting you to enter your payment details. However, ignore this and look to the right hand side below, and you will see current wallet balance. Click on Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Enter your Steam wallet code and click Continue. You'll see the value of the code and can confirm to add it to your account. That's it. Easy peasy, right? Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.